Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I did this look using the City Mini Palette by Maybelline in Urban Jungle. So stay tuned if you want to see how I made this look. So first, I already did my base, my eyebrows and everything. We're going to start with my contour kit, and I'm going to use my contour curler, the Espresso. We're just going to blend it in the crease just so we have a base. And you want to blend it really well so you have a nice base when you're going to put other colors. And second, I used my Sephora Pro palette. I just used this palette because I needed like an orange color to put in the crease again, so I used the color Terracotta just so it's more orangey, so that when we use the other palette, all the colors blend really well. Okay, so now we're gonna use the Maybelline palette. Just take my eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna use the really dark like green color. It's like the only color that was close to being matte, so I'm gonna put it all over the lid. Yeah, really have to pack it on because like it was nice as a swatch, but once you put it, I don't know why, once I put it on my lid it wasn't as pigmented, so I had to really packed it on. Maybe it's my brush also, it's not really a good brush, but I made it work. I used my fingers also just to make sure it was dark enough. So after I used my blending brush, and I went back with the color, the green color, back and forth with the color Terracotta just to blend the crease so you don't have any harsh lines. And then I took another eyeshadow brush and I took that top color right there. Honestly, there's no base to this color, so there's no pigment, so it's mostly just shimmer, so I just put it on top of the dark green color just so we have a bit of glitter. Then I went back to the dark green and I do my underline, and then I took my contour color again just to blend everything together. Like honestly, the under eye is not really dark, I just wanted to keep it like a bit natural. And then I'm going to take that golden color and put it in the inner corner. And then I decided to highlight my brow bone, so I used my Master Chrome highlight by Maybelline. For my lashes, I used the Bad Gal Mascara, and I'm gonna apply my false lashes, the Kiss number 11, as always. For my lips, I used my Rimmel eyeliner in the colors Soft Sable. All the colors will be down below, of course, as always, so you can see what I used. And I use my NYX lip cream. So I just wanted like a new color for my lips, and then I just set my face with my Mario Badescu facial spray, and that's it. It was really easy. I like the palette, and it was really easy to do. So I'll see you next time, guys.